the surprise we have is to all take our shirts off and walk in the rain looking for special people to look at our nipples and be quite impressed. Weed. Don't you know? I like plant. There's the carrot crunching few that take it on themselves to be body beautiful, quite stunning to the eyes. To the eyes. It is the question of the House to approach this matter with a candid feel of Well, that's right. I totally agree, and I don't take no for an answer, don't I? Don't I say, eh? And I don't.